Hello and welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make one of these really cool 3D printed pictures. As soon as you stick it up to the sunlight, it suddenly becomes visible. They're super cool and super easy to make if you've got a 3D printer. So this is how to do it. Now I'm just going to skim through all the technical stuff because it's pretty boring. So you're going to want to start off by selecting a photo. I've just chosen this one. It was the previous thumbnail. Quite like the photo, so it should work nicely. So you're going to want to open up Google and type in this link here. This will take you to the software that you need to 3D print pictures. Just put your photo in the Dropbox. I personally like the look of the curved one, so I've selected that. Now I'll quickly show you these are the settings that I'm using. Then all you want to do is refresh it and download it. Now we've got the STL file. This is it opened up on Cura here. There's a couple of settings you're going to need. I'm just going to scroll through them here. You can pause the video on any of these settings if you want to take a proper look at them. So this is a super long print. It's basically 19 hours of pure printing. So I'm going to set it going now and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so let's set this going for 18 hours and 24 minutes. Jesus Christ. Right, so this thing looks mint. I can't wait to do a couple more. You can just see there. Look. I mean, that is so cool. I want to get a bunch more photos of my car now and print these off. The only thing that's annoying is how long it takes. I mean, 21 hours I think this thing took in the end. I can't remember how long it said. I think it was 18 actually. But for that, you do get something that's super cool. I mean, it just, how it even goes there just from nothing to that photo, it just looks mint. And the detail in the trees and everything. I mean, you really can't tell the detail until you see it in person. Now I did use like the world's cheapest filament and it has left a couple of marks, but I think I can, these little bumps here, I should be able to get rid of them pretty easy with some clippers. Just snip them off. There's a couple on the back as well. You can see the back looks really ugly, whereas the front's actually quite clean. There's just, look, you can see there, there's like one or two of these little bumps. Should be able to get them off pretty easy, but it's only because I'm using a cheap ass filament. I almost want to keep it in the back window of my car, so like obviously people are like, what the hell is that? It looks really weird, and then when the sun shines on it, you know, you get the whole view. I mean, it's just the detail and the colouring is so cool. I mean, I know it's black and white, but it looks really good. Okay, and that's going to be it for the video pretty much. I'm really happy on how that's turned out. I mean, the detail on it is incredible. You can see my plate on the back, and you can see like individual like tyre bits and stuff, and it looks like one solid thing here. Look at, I can do it with my thumb. That looks like one solid object. It does not look like two, and then as soon as you put it up to the light, obviously. I can't wait to do a couple more of these with the 3D printer. I'm definitely going to print a few more off. So anyway, really happy with how this turned out. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, and I hope you have a really good day. See you later.